Thank you all so much for being here on this beautiful Friday morning. Welcome to DHR Health. We're very excited to share with you and talk about the opening of this beautiful facility. My name is Marisa Castañeda. On behalf of our board of managers, all of our partners, our physicians, welcome and thank you for being here. I'd like to ask our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Robert Martinez, to come up and begin the program. Welcome us. Thank you.
Welcome. We're really proud this morning to be able to show you and highlight what's going on here at DHR Health. In particular today, as you know, the Orthopedic Institute. We've been talking about this particular project for a while, and for the very reason that we felt that in the community there was fragmentation for a much needed service. And what you see is a culmination after many, many years of us working with our partners and different members of the community in particular. Our campus, again, continues to expand. Wonderful, wonderful services, which really is going to bring another level of expertise to the Rio Grande Valley and all of South Texas from San Antonio south. So with that, I'd like to welcome you. Thank you very much for coming. Enjoy the program today. And please, if you haven't gotten a chance to tour, do so. The building is absolutely gorgeous. The docs we have in there are great. You're going to meet some of them today. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez. As he mentioned, we're very proud to announce the opening of DHR Health Orthopedic Institute, the premier orthopedic and sports medicine facility in the Rio Grande Valley. I would like to ask Dr. Kip Owen to please come up now.
Well, good morning. I'd also like to offer a special welcome to Mr. Cantu, Mr. Safir, Mrs. Turley, members of our board who may be in the audience, DHR administrators and staff, DHR partners, and my partners, Drs. Mendez, Sanders, Sarah, Kirk, and El Zain, and all of our friends. Today marks not only the introduction of a state-of-the-art facility, but also the emergence of a new era for orthopedic surgery, treatment, and physical therapy for our region. This endeavor is a fulfillment of a vision to provide world-class orthopedic services here in the RGV. The orthopedic surgeons, therapists, and staff who have merged to create the Institute will provide not only a nucleus for care and service, but also a foundation for excellence, which we hope will help us recruit an increasing number of orthopedic specialists who can deliver levels of care never before accessible at home here in the RGV. This also marks the formation of a team of professionals who hope to someday host an orthopedic surgery residencies program here. I personally look forward to providing sports medicine orthopedic services for our athletes, law enforcement professionals, and weekend warriors from this flagship. My partners and I at the Orthopedic Institute are prepared and ready to deliver expert care across a broad spectrum that encompasses orthopedic surgery, including joint replacements, arthroscopic surgery, fracture care, and other trauma services. Enjoy your visit today, and please let us know how we may better serve you at the brand spanking new and raring to go DHR Health Orthopedic Institute. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Owen. DHR Health is the home to over 750 physicians, over 1,400 nurses. We care for thousands and thousands of patients, the home of future doctors. So it's very important that we share this with our community to make sure that you are aware of the type of expertise, the type of training, the type of physicians that are caring for the Rio Grande Valley in South Texas. I'd like to recognize all of the physicians that call this their new home, the DHR Health Orthopedic Institute, starting with Dr. Owen. I'm going to have you come up. Please come up here, Dr. Owen, Dr. Kip Owen, Dr. Hasim El Zaim, Dr. Carissa Kirk, Dr. Salvador Mendez, Dr. Patrick Sander, Dr. Michael Seta, and not here yet, but very new to our center, will be joining us next month, is Dr. Jaime Villarreal. Along with him, I wanted y'all to have a look at some of the team behind me. Dr. Nathan Saples, who leads our sports medicine and rehabilitation division, and as well as Dr. Bettis. So if you all are here, if y'all could come up, and I wanted you all to kind of meet the team in case we get lost for the tour. Thank you all. Sharing a few words with us this morning is Dr. Salvador Mendez.
Thank you. When I first walked through this beautiful building a couple of months ago, I couldn't help it but reflect on the amazing transformation that healthcare in the Rio Grande Valley has witnessed. When I first came to McAllen was the summer of 1980, and we had only one small hospital downtown, McAllen General Hospital, which was where the City Hall sits now. In those days, a lot of patients left for specialized care to Houston or San Antonio. And that brings me to what we're here today, celebrating this awesome building, but more than that, the care that we hopefully will be able to provide to all of you. Sincerely, we hope you never need us. But if you or any of your family ever is in need of orthopedic care, you rest assured that we will do it in a compassionate, professional, and competent way. Also, as already been mentioned, because of the tremendous explosion of technology in the field of medicine and in orthopedic especially, there is impossible that one orthopedist can take care of all the problems. That's why we have the whole gamut of orthopedic services, from children to fractures, sports medicine, joint replacement, and like was mentioned also soon, spine orthopedic surgery. So I really thank you very much for you coming, and I'm very proud to belong to this organization. Thank you very much.
On-site collaboration between orthopedic physicians and doctorate-level physical therapists allow us to offer truly comprehensive orthopedic and sports medicine services to our community. On the second floor is a state-of-the-art rehabilitation facility with the most advanced orthopedic and sports rehabilitation equipment available. Our specific specialty is the practice of evidence-based physical therapy, and that includes early rehabilitation following injury or surgery. Ultimately, that will result in better outcomes and a faster recovery.
As part of our mission and our vision continues to be to treat people here at home so that the patients and our families and friends of the Rio Grande Valley don't have to leave the area for healthcare. DHR is committed to that each and every day. We're doing it by opening buildings like this, by hiring the best of the best physicians. We are going to be able to help patients take one of many steps on their journey in terms of their orthopedic health and their recovery. So again, on behalf of DHR Health, thank you all for being here. Please join us. We'd like to get as many as we can in our photo, and then come inside. We have some refreshments, and we'd love to have you look at our facility. Thank you, and God bless you.